Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brandon America here again. And real quick today, I'm going to show you another quick tip in Logic, how to zoom a few different ways. So real quick, you see my entire work window here is zoomed to fit everything. If I was zoomed in, and one of the quick ways is to hold Option, use your mouse, scroll up or down on the mouse, makes them bigger and smaller. If you slide left or right, it will adjust the width of your tracks. But say I'm zoomed into a place like right in here or whatever, and I want to see my entire work window. As long as I deselect and I'm not selected on any audio or MIDI region, I can hit Z on my keyboard and it will show me my entire workspace window. If I hit Z again, it'll go right back to where I was. So if we wanted to jump right back into where we were, we can easily do that. So again, like I said, you can hold Option, scroll left and right, up and down. That's the quickest way that I normally use. Another quick way is you can go up here to these little meters in the top, these little faders in the top right, and they'll do the same thing, but it just kind of takes a little bit longer to zoom in and out. And the last quick tip I've got for you is to hold down Option. If you hold down Option and scroll over a particular area, it will zoom into that. If you hold Option, click back into a blank area, it will zoom back out. So if you want to, quickly get into this part, hold Option, scroll over the area, and boom, there you go. Hold Option again, and you can zoom out. So, yeah, just a real quick tip on how to zoom, how to navigate around the edit window in Logic. So for more tips, stay tuned. If you got some value out of this video, please hit the like and comment and subscribe down below, and we'll be back to you real soon, all right? Peace and love.